How do we make a strap like this? We take a lobster clasp, thread the fishing line through it, and align the ends. Next, we put 2 beads on the right fishing line. 1, 2. And we put 2 beads on the left. Then we put 1 bead on either the right or the left. We make a loop in it and pull it like this to keep the fishing line even. Our first ring will be made of 5 beads. The rest are the first and last. The rest will be made of 6 beads. If your fishing line is thin, you can do this again, and then the lobster clasp will be more or less secure. Next, what do? We put 2 beads on the left fishing line and 3 on the right. 1, 2. And we make a loop in the third. You see, the bead has moved from this ring to this ring. This will move to the next one. And that's it. We make the length you need. In this manner, 2 beads on the left, 3 on the right. We make a loop on the last one and secure everything. So adjust the rings and beads like this so they are even. How do we finish our weaving? We also put 2 beads on the left fishing line. Two on the right one too. We pass the fishing line through our lobster clasp. And in one of these beads, we simply make a loop. So at the end, we also have a ring of 5 beads. And our lobster clasp in the middle is as long as you need, and then we pass the ends with the fishing line again here inside. Let me show you later where we put the fishing line. Like this, we pass through this bead. This way, our lobster clasp is now hanging on 2 beads on this fishing line. Here, into this bead. We bring it out here to the center. And here in the center, you can connect it into a similar loop. This fishing line is on top, and we'll put this one back into the same bead. This way, we'll create a loop like this. We'll tighten it together with this fishing line and secure it. You can do it again like this. Go along the top and connect it inside here. And you can go through it twice on this side as well. There. It's not difficult. Go for it. You can do it too.